Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. So today I've got a very exciting video for you. I'm checking out a tour here in Costa Rica. We're up in the mountains, I'm in the jungle, and we're here at the Costa Rica Waterfall Tours. We're going to be doing some zip lining, some canyoning where we actually go down the waterfalls, and also some cliff jumping as well. So let's get into it. So the great thing about this tour is it's got a bit of everything. So after the first two zip lines, then it's time to do the practice rappel. So you're going to practice here before we do this on the waterfalls. So this is my first time ever doing this. I've never done the rappelling before, but I feel, pretty comfortable. So now we're going to head to two waterfalls, and we're going to go down one for real. So if you look closely here, this is a black and green poison frog, very poisonous. So the indigenous people used to use that frog. They would rub it onto their blow darts to kill chickens, wild boars, things like that. And then when they cook the meat, it's not poisonous, like it won't kill a human, but it would stop the animal. Here we're at the cliff dives. You've got two options. You can jump off at 12 feet or you can jump off at 30 feet, and you're diving into a 20 feet or about 5 meter rock pool. So our guides are going to show us what they can do. Okay guys, so that's Costa Rica Waterfall Tours. I had a great time. They've got a bit of everything, the zip lining, the rappelling, the jumping off the cliffs into the water. So as you saw, it started to rain, but we still had a lot of fun. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.